Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Talabat account permanently. Now, before you begin deleting your account, make sure that your account has no active or pending orders and no outstanding payments or balances. Talabat will not allow you to delete your account until all pending transactions have been completed. Now, how do you proceed? Launch the Talabat app on your Android or iPhone. If you're not already signed in, log in using the account that you want to delete. Now, using the correct account is important because the deletion request only applies to the currently signed in account. So once you're on the home screen, go ahead and click on your account tab, which is at the bottom of the screen. So once you tap on the account tab, it's going to take you to your account window. So this opens your account management page where you will find your personal settings and preferences. So inside your profile, I'd like you to click on the settings or the clock wheel that is found at the top right corner. No, not that. All right, again, swipe out. So tap on it, not vouchers. I set settings. So tap on it and it takes you here. So from settings, go ahead and click on account info. And then you have all of the options here. So this section contains your account details and account management options. So right here, scroll to the bottom of the page. All right. And if your account is eligible for deletion, you'll see the account delete account option activated. So go ahead and click delete account and Talabat will display a confirmation screen explaining what happens after your account is deleted. Now read the information carefully before proceeding. If you're sure you want to continue, follow the on-screen prompts, confirm that you want to permanently delete your account, and complete any required verification if prompted. After confirmation, Talabat to begin processing your deletion request. And of course, once your request has been processed, your Talabat account will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to sign in using that account, and your personal data will be removed from Talabat's system except for information Talabat is legally required or permitted to retain. Deleted account data cannot be restored. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.